Could convicted killer Scott Peterson receive a new trial? Attorneys with the LA Innocence Project requesting new evidence from the original trial in hopes to exonerate him in the murder of his pregnant wife. Peterson found guilty of that crime in 2004. Subsequently, he was sentenced to life in prison without parole. Correspondent Laura Engel live for us now. Laura, a status hearing is now on the books to potentially move this forward. It would be earth-shattering.
It would be, Adrian, right? We've been covering this for so long, and this major development comes less than 2 months after Scott Peterson's new attorneys with the Los Angeles Innocence Project filed that motion to ask the courts to reopen the files on this 2-decade-old case, to reevaluate and to introduce new evidence that they say could prove Peterson's actual innocence. Now, the hearing, scheduled for 1 week from today, will bring those LAIP attorneys into the original courthouse where Peterson's trial was held in Redwood City to present their findings. They claim Scott Peterson's state and federal constitutional rights were violated and that there is new evidence which raises many questions about who they say abducted and killed Laci Peterson and her unborn child Connor on Christmas Eve 2002. Well, remember, their bodies were found along the San Francisco shoreline roughly 4 months after Laci was reported missing. Now, we went back to Modesto in January with our cameras to show our viewers the crux of Peterson's defense, an alleged connection to a burglary that took place right across the street from the Petersons' former home. Peterson's attorneys have always claimed that Laci may have stumbled across a burglary in progress that turned violent while she was walking their dog. The time frame was also right around when Scott Peterson says he left his home to go fishing in the San Francisco Bay. Now, the LAIP has also raised questions about this burned-out orange van that was found just 1 mile away from the Petersons' home Christmas morning of 2002, which contained a mattress with possible blood stains that Peterson's attorneys say were never fully tested, something Peterson's original trial attorney, Mark Garrigus, told us was infuriating.
We spent weeks doing hearings on mitochondrial DNA because Modesto PD wanted to use a hair that was found, and they wanted to use the mitochondrial DNA. At the same time, they were delivering all kinds of stuff to the Department of Justice. It wouldn't have been very difficult in the least to have cross-checked all this stuff, because the very same department and lab was doing all kinds of testing at the same time.
So that's what we're going to be talking about at this court hearing next week. Attorneys for Peterson also are looking for interviews from witnesses who say they saw Laci walking her dog after Scott left their home, and videotaped interviews from those burglars who admitted to their crimes that they believe could provide new clues. So many of the jurors and former police investigators we have spoken with about these reported new findings say while they still stand by their belief that Peterson is guilty, they say if there is something to be tested, it should be tested. Laci Peterson's family members have declined our request for comment. The hearing takes place in Redwood City, March 12th. Adrian?
Wow, what a world we live in. Thank you very much, Laura.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.